Not everything luxurious needs to be loud. Some of the finest things are felt quietly. A luxury landmark is taking place on Golf Course Extension Road, Sector 63A, Gurugram, by the name of Tark Ishwa. These are four-sided open residences giving you a feel of one to a core apartment. There's an experience center, a material gallery, and a sample apartment to give you a better insight into this project. So without further ado, let's go inside and see it for ourselves. So this is your scale model wherein all the towers are showcased to give you a connectivity idea. This would be your primary 84-meter wide road, and this would be your secondary 24-meter wide road, which goes directly from Arbor to your upper Golf Course Extension Road. The front two towers of this project are 3 BHK, then tower number 3, 4, 5 are 4 BHK, and the recently launched tower number 6, which is 3.5 BHK. If you talk about apartment configuration, you have two options to choose from: a 3.5 BHK 3035 square feet and a 4.5 BHK 3999 square feet. Now, when we say one to a core apartment, what exactly do we mean? So basically, there are two different cores. So suppose if in case you are living in this one apartment on in this core and you want to access the other one, you cannot go directly there. You'll have to access the lift lobby of other tower. You'll have to go take permission and then only you can go to the other tower. So this keeps your privacy intact, and you know that on your core it's only your apartment, so gives you a private lift lobby experience as well. Each apartment comes with two private elevators and one service elevator. Now, in this project, around 75% of the area is open and green. You have a half Olympic size 42-meter long swimming pool. You have two swimming pools here. One is indoor and the other one is outdoor. Both of them are temperature controlled. There's an option of 10,000 square feet penthouse in case you're looking for something exclusive. Now, the another USP of this project is its surrounding. So, on one side, you have city view, other side you have institutional land, which would be again a low rise. On back of the project you have farmland, and on the right side you'll see Anantraj plots, ground plus 4 low rise construction. So all four sides are open, uninterrupted view of green and Aravlis. Now let me take you to the 5-star wellness clubhouse. This is going to be your grand 1.5 lakh square feet of clubhouse, wherein it is divided into four different parts. So your basement is your play zone, then your ground floor would be your gourmet area, your first floor would be community zone, and then on top you'll have the wellness area. You have all and different kind of amenities that you can expect from your clubhouse. Now let me take you to the material gallery, wherein each and every raw material is showcased that would go into your apartment. So before buying your apartment, you'll get to know what civil work would be done. This shows you how transparent the builder is with you and what kind of intentions he holds. So there are different kind of configurations shown here that you can choose from. Now let's start from your door. An aluminium template has been provided here to avoid any chances of a termite. Then you can see your electric boards, you can see the waterproofing that would be done. You have your different A grade partners who are collaborating to get this project done. You have RSP, CPP. When we talk about Vastu, Mr. Vijay Shankar Sharma has been hired as the Vastu consultant, to keeping in mind that the apartments are perfectly ventilated, the sunlight is being provided into each of the apartment. Then you have your matrix management for your vertical transportation. Moving ahead, you have a Greha 5-star certificate being provided to Tark Ishwa. Along with the regular parking, each apartment gets a high speed EV charging point dedicated only to your apartment. To avoid any kind of seepage and leakage, various layers are provided to avoid these kind of problems. You have your hubless pipes, so in case of an emergency, in case of any breakage, these are very fast to replace. These are the sanitary fittings that would be provided in your apartment. Moving ahead, you have your VRV air conditioning, you have home automation system, your indoor air quality PM 2.5 is also maintained. You get an air filter, you get a heat pump, so that all the taps 24/7 have an option of hot water. Now These are the two color combination of doors that you can choose from. These are the two slabs that you can have a look and choose from, whichever one suits you the best. Moving ahead, you have Krishna Buildtech Estates as your construction partner, which is one of the most famous at the moment in Gurugram, delivering many projects. Now that we have seen the scale model, the material gallery, let me take you to the sample apartment for a better insight. Now let's start our tour of sample apartment. Starting from your servant or multi-purpose room, this is a massive size of 9.10 into 11.4. For your servant room, you have a multi-purpose balcony as well, utility balcony, which is connected directly to kitchen, so that in case you're leaving for a few days, you're going somewhere, you can just lock your kitchen from that other side. Your servant can go access the kitchen and stay here. Now we are going to walk into your lift lobby area. We are now at our lift lobby area. With each apartment, you get two private elevators and one service elevator. If you talk about this area, it's 5.11 into 11.5. Now, as soon as we cross our private elevator area, we get to a double heighted entrance lobby to give you a grand welcome. As soon as you enter, you have your living dining area, your kitchen, your powder room. If you talk about configuration of the powder room, it's 4.8 into 7.5. You can see how beautiful it is designed. This is your living and dining area of 28.6 into 14.9. It's a modular kitchen that comes along fully loaded with all the appliances. You can see the cabinets. As I showed you in material gallery, you can choose from two color options based on your choice. You have your hob, chimney, refrigerator, oven. Each and everything is been provided by the developer. Now let me take you to your first guest bedroom. Also, this is your family lounge area, 11.4 into 11.6, different from your living and dining area that I told you earlier. Now, this would be your guest bedroom. Dimensions of this guest bedroom are 15.4 into 11. You have your connectivity to utility balcony. You have your private balcony along with this room. You have a dresser area of 5.3 into 5.1. You have an attached toilet here. Now let's go see the junior master bedroom here, which is a size of 14.2 into 11. You have your separate dresser area here, 5.3 into 5.1 of your private dressing area. Now let me show you one unique thing about this apartment. So you can see there's a Juliet balcony right there, and along with this private balcony, what you'll see is there's no pillar in any corner of this apartment, so that no where you are sitting in your room, in your balcony, in your living dining, you'll not see any pillar. Your views are not going to get hampered, so it's an uninterrupted 360-degree views, which is very hard to find in Gurugram. Now let's go see your attached toilet here. Now we walk into the master bedroom, which is a massive 19.8 into 11.7. Look at this master bedroom. Have you seen anything like this before? How beautiful. You have your private deck balcony there, a Juliet balcony here. Again, the same concept. Private deck. There's one more thing that I would like to show you. Very nice. This is your walk-in closet, his and hers, 8.8 into 7.2. We walk into your his and hers toilet, 11.11 into 5.2. The best part is you have your regular shower area along with a rain shower area. Now I will take you to the fourth bedroom in this apartment. This is your fourth bedroom, 13.8 into 10.11. Again, with this room as well, you have a full-size Juliet balcony. You have your attached toilets. All the rooms in this apartment have attached toilets. This would be your shower cubicle area. Now let me take you to my personal favorite place, which is this sliding door balcony. How big, amazing. You can easily host, let's say, around 50 to 70 people here. Indoor, outdoor gathering, pillarless, as I mentioned. You're sitting in your living dining area, looking outside. Your views are not interrupted by any other building, any other construction project, or anything. As I told you, one of a kind, four-sided open residence is one apartment to a core concept. I highly recommend you to come visit the sample apartment on the site because projects like these are better experienced than explained. You can contact us on the numbers given below. We will provide you the best pricing and payment plan for Tag Ishwa. Looking forward to hosting you. Thank you.